How to download American Truck Simulator on PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download American Truck Simulator on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Steam. Now you will need to open up your Steam and make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, what you'll then need to do is just head over to your store. Make sure that you're on the store section. Now head over to the search bar. You can also use Steam's online web version. It's completely fine. And after you're here, simply search for American Truck Simulator. So here you can see different versions of it available. I'll just go for this one on the top. So tap on this American Truck Simulator and there you should find the game. You can watch its video. You can check out its pictures and stuff like that. And if you scroll down for a bit, you'll find an option to add it to cart. Now, as I said earlier, there are different versions of it. You can see the Northwest bundle, the Southern bundle, you can see Texas sized bundle. You can now download whichever you want. You can see the prices and the discounts available as well. So tap on add to cart to whichever version that you want and then tap on view my cart. From here, you can tap on continue shopping, and by tapping on continue shopping, you can simply download the app. Now, after doing that, you're basically good to go. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.